Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into some ecosystem discovery on Layer 3. Now, this is more of an informative campaign, just kind of introducing you to some networks on the blockchain like Solana, Optimism, Polygon, Arbitrum, Base, and Linea. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, I know I've gotten some nice rewards from each one of these networks, and Base is coming up with their token soon, so get locked in. If you need help navigating this space, I have a Discord, Twitter, all the links are down below. You can reach me directly there. Hit me up on Twitter, the BCR142. I also co-host a show every Tuesday and Friday now, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, here at DeFi Crypto and Airdrops, where we deep dive into projects that are just about to launch, or have yet to launch a token, or haven't even launched their product yet. So we do early deep dives on different projects, and it's a lot of fun. So check us out. Great DeFi masterminds, masterclasses, DeFi Academy, all this for free. And you can catch us on Twitter at _only_DCA. And the host, Veteran for Crypto, excellent DeFi mind, bringing together a lot of great guests. So we are crushing it. Also, we are streaming on pump.fun. We had to create a token in order to stream. So the liquidity pool owns almost 90% of the tokens. So we can't dump on you, and we have no plans of dumping on anybody. We own about 0.5% right here each. So between the both of us, we own 1%. So you can buy and sell. We don't care if you hold. If you want to just create volume, that would be awesome. But yeah, there we go. Let's dive in to some fun stuff. Intro to Solana. Let's start. Now, you don't have to do the Layer 3 campaign right here. This is just a good informative campaign. But Solana is a separate blockchain. It's not connected to Ethereum, and it processes transactions extremely fast and cheap, often under a penny and confirmed in seconds. Like Ethereum, Solana has DeFi applications, NFTs, and tokens. But it's a completely different network with its own wallet, tokens, and ecosystem. You can easily transfer Ethereum funds to Solana using Wormhole as a leading bridge. And this converts your Ethereum tokens to work on Solana. Solana uses different wallets than Ethereum, like Phantom. And right here, Solana addresses look different, and transactions cost fractions of a cent paid in Solana instead of Ethereum token. So you can add a Solana address with Phantom onto Layer 3, but we're not going to do that. Top up your Solana wallet by bridging from any Ethereum network. And this is what the Solana wallet looks like. I'm currently in the test network mode. We're going to switch this, and I'll show you just some assets. Solana token, this is what you will pay transaction fees with. So we're going to mint this cube. You don't have to do it, but now this is a way to send tokens from one chain to another. Here you have all these different networks and assets, and you can send it over to Solana by connecting your wallet. Oops, close that. So next up, introduction to Optimism. Optimism is an Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain that uses what's called optimistic rollup technology to provide faster and cheaper transactions, designed to scale on Ethereum while maintaining its security and decentralization. You can explore different apps in the Optimism ecosystem. Right here on DeFi Llama, these are the different protocols on there that are whatever the category is: payments, real world assets, decentralized exchange, lending and borrowing, various different things. Like I said, use that bridge on Jumper in order to get funds on Optimism. And you can swap tokens on there. And this you can see, where's Optimism OP mainnet. You can swap different tokens. Next up, intro to Polygon. So Polygon is similar to Optimism, but uses proof of stake, what's called proof of stake sidechain, to enable faster and cheaper transactions while staying compatible with Ethereum. And that means you just lock up your tokens on the network and it helps run it. So explore the ecosystem. Same thing, bridge into Polygon. And you can use Jumper for all of that. Jumper was a good one. Reject. So you can check out a bunch of ecosystem projects and what they do. And all of these have super low fees when you make transactions on the network. Arbitrum is similar to the others, Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain that provides fast, low-cost transactions with full smart contract compatibility for decentralized applications. Almost exactly the same as Optimism. Some different aspects, some different projects, but ultimately the same flavor, and using different technology to build, but under the hood, just looking at it, it's pretty similar. Let's see, we have Base and Linea. Linea is what some people call it. Now, Base was built by Coinbase that focuses on bringing decentralized applications to mainstream users through a scalable infrastructure. Now, they are an easy way to get involved. You can bridge into Base, swap on Base, check out the ecosystem here, and you can sort through whatever it is you want, consumer, on-ramps, and they have a bunch of features that are different than the others. Base Pay, they have a Base app that's going to be rolling out soon, and just much easier for people to get onboarded. Now, Linea is a blockchain developed by Consensus that uses what's called zero-knowledge rollup technology to provide fast and secure transactions while maintaining full Ethereum virtual machine compatibility. Now, if you haven't used MetaMask, it's the worst wallet, but the blockchain that they're building it's built by Consensus, but the blockchain they're building is much better. MetaMask, they have a card coming out and some other stuff, but here's the different ecosystem projects, and there's a ton of them. So check out Linea. They have a rewards hub, but I haven't really found this very useful. We'll use external wallet. Oh, actually, I can claim some credits here. Oh, I guess I can't. All right, I'll just use my main wallet. And Linea just recently did an airdrop, which was nice. Thankfully, I was able to claim mine and piss off the person that hacked my wallet. So thank you for helping out. All right, so that is it for ecosystem discovery. Pretty simple. Next up, we're gonna do some DeFi essentials. And then lastly, we'll security and best practices. Let's check this out. Yeah. So stay tuned for more fun. And if you need any help, please reach out. Twitter, Discord. Discord's the best place. But yeah, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homie.